First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Alliant Credit Union website. You can typically find the login area prominently displayed on their homepage. Once on the site, locate the login or online banking button, usually found in the top right corner or a central prominent position. Click on this to proceed to the login portal. You'll then be directed to the secure login page here. You'll see fields for your username and password. Carefully enter your established Alliant Credit Union username into the first field. Next, move to the password field and input your secure password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure your caps lock is off unless intentionally used. After entering both your username and password, click the Sign In or Login button. At this point, Alliant Credit Union may initiate multi-factor authentication for enhanced security. This means you might receive a verification code via text message to your registered phone number, an email, or through a push notification on a trusted device. Choose your preferred method and enter the code when prompted. If you encounter any issues, like an incorrect username or password, you'll typically see an error message. Double-check your details and try again for forgotten passwords. Look for a forgot password or reset password link on the login page. Clicking this link will guide you through the steps to securely verify your identity and create a new password. Following these steps ensures you can always safely access your Alliant Credit Union account.